Welcome back to my channel. This video was highly requested to just do a makeup collection video. I don't have a ton of makeup, but I am going to show you guys my makeup collection. I'm not bragging at all. This is just items I've accumulated over time and some new items that I've gotten. So this is my makeup stand. It is from TJ Maxx. It's a 3-drawer stand and it's gold on the side. I think it was like $20. And then on top I have a cute little organizer that I put like books in. I took everything out just for the video. And then up here is my mirror that's from Forever 21. So this is the first drawer. I just have all the stuff I use on a daily basis in here. So all of this is actually just extra palettes and like brand new makeup that I haven't used yet. So this is like Urban Decay powder I haven't opened yet, Smashbox, a contour palette that I haven't used yet. And those are just some extras of things that I use on a daily basis that I keep back there. And then these are all my mascaras. Some of these are a little bit older, but they're faves. This is the Katy Cat Eye by CoverGirl mascara. This is the Tarte Lifted mascara. I have just been using this when I go to the gym or when I like don't want to put a lot on. I actually got this in a kit. It's just an Ulta Beauty like generic mascara. Sorry, Facebook. And then these are probably my favorites. This is actually from Amazon. It's an eyelash growth serum and I've been using it and it's actually been working. I think it was like $10. I can find the link and leave it below. And then these are two of my favorite drugstore mascaras. This is the Rimmel London Glam Eyes mascara, Maybelline Illegal Length mascara. Those are both from the drugstore. And then my two favorite non-drugstore mascaras are just the Lights Camera Lashes, and I have it in the teal and the purple, and then I just ordered the pink one online. I just love this mascara and the packaging is really cute. These are my beauty blenders. They're all just generic ones. And then these are the products that I use every single day. This is my bronzer. It's the Too Faced bronzer. And then this is my powder. It is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro. I'm in the shade Aspen 04. And then this is actually foundation I've had in my drawer. I kind of feel like it's never opened. I've never used it, but I don't know if like I will use it, but I just put it here so I could maybe start to. It's the Neutrogena Nourishing Long Wear Makeup SPF 20, and I've never opened it and I thought I should use it before just tossing it. And then this I actually just ordered on Ulta because I need more of it. It's the CC Plus cream by IT Cosmetics. It's my favorite foundation CC cream right now at the moment. Started using the Baby Skin Maybelline pore eraser a few days ago. I've had this for a little bit and I just wanted to finish it off. And then this is actually the Naked Skin Urban Decay concealer. And to be completely honest, I'm using it, but I don't like it. I'm not a big fan of the way it looks and the way it smells. These are my other essentials that I use daily. I use the Boing concealer. I've been using it for years and I will never stop using it. I love it. These are two Tarte blushes that I absolutely love in the shades Insightful and in the shade Party. I use one of these daily. The Laura Geller New York highlighter. As you can see, it's like barely there, but I'm finishing it off. My boyfriend actually got this for me. Here I just have stuff that I have not opened yet and haven't used. That's actually a lie because I have used this. This is the foundation I use daily except for when I'm using my CC cream. It's the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. I am in the shade Light Neutral. I actually think I could probably go up a shade. I don't know what the next shade is. And then this is actually something I got and I've been using a little bit. It's the Tarte Guard tinted moisturizer. Not a big fan of it. I don't think it has a lot of a tint. I think it's kind of just a moisturizer in my opinion. All right, now on to the second drawer. Okay, here is my second drawer. It has all my lipsticks, lip glosses, anything lips related is in this drawer. I'm gonna go ahead and just maybe go through some of my favorites because I actually do have a lot. Up in the front, I keep all of my MAC lipsticks. I have some MAC lipsticks. These are all in pretty light shades, like Saint Germain, Fox, what's this one? Candy Yum Yum, Cream Sheen. Some of the most popular ones, those are the only ones I own. Tarte Mini lipsticks, which truthfully are some of my favorites. They're super basic, like dark pink shades, as you can tell. Two of the Sephora collection lipsticks in like a burgundy and then a nude. First one of my fave matte lipsticks this is the Matte Melted by Too Faced. It's one of my favorite shades. I love the Tarteist lip paint. This is what shade? XOXO. It's just a really pretty red. And then this is the Stila Stay All Day in Rico. It's like a really pretty maroon color. Everything else is kind of just generic. I have Katy Kat matte lipsticks. I have a bunch of those. I have a ton of Revlon, a ton of CoverGirl, a ton of Maybellines, baby lips. I have a couple NARS like sticks, lipsticks. I have a couple Bites, and then I have some Tarte and some Marc Jacobs, and then I have this Too Faced lip injection gloss that I use sometimes. Okay, so this drawer is probably my favorite because it has my eyeshadow palettes. So I just recently purchased the Naked by Urban Decay Heat palette. It's beautiful. I love it. Sorry, I'm trying not to get the mirror in it, but it is so pretty. My two favorite colors are Dirty Talk and Scorched. And then I also have the Naked Urban Decay, the original one. In this palette, my favorite is Sin, Naked, and Half Baked. I don't really use dark colors, but I'm trying to. This is my most recent purchase. The packaging is literally so cute. It's by Tarte. It's Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust. Looks like this. It is beautiful. I just started using it yesterday. Flitter is my favorite color, and Mystical and Magic right now. Those are my favorites. And then this one in the center is like supposed to be like a highlight, which I'm really excited about. I have a little drawer here in the back, as you can see, that just holds any like random items I have or like restock I've bought. Like sometimes I find them on discount, so I'll buy them. A NARS concealer, an Urban Decay concealer, a Too Faced concealer. These are like not opened yet. Those were some samples I got from Sephora, a Too Faced and a ColourPop sample. Those are just some like extra brushes that I have cleaned and I haven't used in a while. These are the brushes I use daily. I don't like the way I'm storing them, so if you can think of a cute storage for this bin, let me know. Because it's too like small to stick them up straight, so I have to like lay them down. But I just ordered a new eye brush set from Ulta, which I'm excited about. It's from Morphe. I don't know where this is from. I think it's from Target. This is from Ulta. This is a Fenty Beauty blush brush. I use it for pretty much everything. I just have, like I said, some more samples and kind of some random like eye stuff. And that is my makeup collection in a nutshell. That is pretty much all that I use on my face. Like I said in the past, I am not a huge makeup person, but I have been getting back into it and I'm really excited, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about the video, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. And I know it's messed up, but I can't get enough.